You're looking at three bastards that are going to make three bastards. Stay tuned to find out who's what and what they're making.
I'm suffering.
I'm dying.
Dead.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek, that's Ian, that's Dan. We're making 3 drinks.
You suffering bastard.
We're making the suffering bastard, the dying bastard, and the dead bastard. Yep. And the reason is, Ian's going to probably want to see it.
Thank you.
So, the reason is it was suggested by Bonnie on Facebook, suggested all 3 of these variations so we could taste them and see what the differences are, because they're kind of the same thing, but they get stronger as you go. And so I'm gonna break out a few things here. First,
do it.
Like and subscribe. There's a bell. Click it. You'll get notified. Like it because it helps me. Second, I'm making 3 drinks. I need a like. Third, the recipe is going to be. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this.
Do one at a time. One at a time.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Suffering.
Suffering bastard. 1 ounce of gin. 1 ounce of brandy. ½ ounce of lime juice. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. 4 ounces of ginger beer. For the ginger beer, you can look at the episode above. That will be the, I don't know, the video that goes through the stuff he's using for ginger beer, which is pickets or whatever. Now, the dying bastard is going to be cut back a little bit, but we're going to have more product. It's ½ ounce of gin, ½ ounce of brandy, ½ ounce of bourbon, ½ ounce of lime juice, 2 dashes of Angostura, 4 ounces of ginger beer. Like the same thing, but with more spirit. So these 2 were defined as hangover remedies, kind of like, you know, one of those things you do to like get over your hangover by just drinking more alcohol.
Hey, that Bacardi over there, please.
I think that's a great idea.
Thank you.
The dead bastard is a ½ ounce of gin, a ½ ounce of brandy, a ½ ounce of bourbon, a ½ ounce of light rum, a ½ ounce of lime juice, 2 dashes of Angostura, and 4 ounces of ginger beer.
Oh, see? I get it. Just keep going up the ladder.
Stacking them on.
Right?
I've never seen
You're
anything.
married, you have kids, you send them to college.
That's when you go with the
You're
dead.
suffering, you're dying, then you're fucking dead.
Right. That makes sense. There's your quote. Right?
Yeah, exactly.
There's a poll quote.
Yeah, that's a good outlook. Just remember that. We're just kidding.
Definitely half full.
Yes.
Are you in the third drink, Ian? Can I move the scrolly? Because I did already.
Well, then everything else is...
I need the bottom of the top one, because I'm making them in conjunction with each other.
Gotcha.
You didn't do the Angostura yet?
They're all the same. The bottoms are all the same.
There's no Angostura on the first one, is there?
Yes. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yep. 2 dashes.
The bottoms are always the same. Here.
And,
I'll dash it for you.
And we've got...
I'll do something.
Oh, you know they're all the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
2. 1, 2. Yeah. See, we had Ian do them all because, well, he volunteered to.
Yeah. Plus he's way better at it.
We'll all shake together.
Yeah.
Because we're sexy beasts like
Yeah,
that.
because we're sexy bastards.
3. Oh, that makes more sense. Good call.
3 shitty bastards make 3 sexy bastards.
That's right.
All right, you guys ready to shake?
Yep. You're gonna shake everything except your ginger beer. You're gonna stir the ginger beer into the shaker when you're done. Then you're gonna pour it unstrained into a double old-fashioned glass.
So you're gonna strain this one?
No, unstrained.
Oh, unstrained.
So,
strain.
I think they do it just to it's kind of like a tumble when you just tumble the liquid a little bit. So once you stir in your ginger beer, when you pour it out, it gives it a little extra.
Okay.
Oh, are we good to go?
This is the...
What am I drinking?
First one, second one.
So I have a suffering bastard, you have a dying bastard, you have a dead bastard.
You're the dead bastard.
Now! Oh yeah, good idea, use the small one. Look at that, hold back right there.
And each of these we're going to add 4 ounces of the ginger beer. And then we're just going to give it a little swirly.
A little swirly swirl.
Swirly swirl.
Should we just dump it on our own, or do you want to dump it for us?
We can each dump it.
Yeah.
Synchronous dumping.
This was
Is
designed.
something we did in Las Vegas.
It is.
This is designed in Cairo at Shepheard's by Joe Scialom in 1942. So it's an old drink. 1959 would be the new ones. 1942 was the original. 1959 is the dying and the dead.
On 3.
What are we doing?
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Not that it matters.
You want to mince sprig it too?
Yeah, I'll sprig it. I'll sprig the shit out of you guys.
Sprig it.
We're gonna get the sprig
me.
shit out of us. And I'll use. We could just do a picture of one because I can use that photo for all of them because they all look exactly the same.
Well, after he sprigs that shit.
Yeah, you need to sprig
Let me
this.
get a good sprig for your photo.
You want? Give me a whole bouquet.
You want a bouquet?
I don't know. Why not?
Yeah, make it pretty.
It's gotta be pretty, right? You didn't slap it? Wow.
Well, no, you're not going to slap that one.
We're not mixing it. So
Yeah, you're not mixing it.
What are you talking about?
just-
You still slap it to get the aroma out. That's how you get all that nice bright.
Yeah, but then you flattened it.
Oh.
Yeah, no, it doesn't look very good.
Yeah, now it looks
that
like...
has the look of defeated mint.
Yeah, that looks like a suffering bastard.
No,
Hey,
you
well,
just, look,
hey,
you
there we
sell
go.
it. You just sell it. Boom.
Oh, look
Boom.
at you.
Sold.
You're an artist.
Yeah, that's what I do. All right. So,
Yeah, sell it like that.
this
Sell
is
it.
the suffering bastard, dying and dead.
Yeah.
All right. Should we try
Cheers.
each of these and then pass them over to each other?
Yeah.
All right. This one's tickling in my nose. So while mine's made in Cairo, the other ones were made in Manhattan at the Marco Polo Club years later. So mine is, I like that spice. Urgh. What do I have? Yours?
You got the dead now.
No, we got the dead.
I go from freaking start to finish.
Yeah. I went from finish. I'm going to start.
Yours?
They're all really similar.
Yeah. Oh, this one has bourbon in it. Do they all have bourbon in it?
No.
No, those two do.
What am I drinking? This is the dying one, right?
Yeah.
This is
Wait
the
a
most
minute.
pronounced bourbon
Yeah. I think I like the
Suffering
dying
dying
the
dead.
best.
because it's got that pronounced bourbon
Because
to
you
it.
made it.
Because I shook it.
It does. It has like a, which is the original? That's the original. It's got a big ass sprig in it.
That's how you can tell.
I think the Suffering Bastard's more light and refreshing than I would have thought of. Oh, but it doesn't have the bourbon flavor.
The dead has a different aftertaste because it has less
Yeah.
bourbon and more rum.
Yeah. Because they cut everything
I'd say I
down.
like the dying more just because the
I like the dying.
dying
The Dying
is the
Bastard.
bourbon.
Yeah.
This is definitely lighter. Like it's lighter.
Yeah, the Suffering Bastards are more of a light drink. And the way I've seen it, whenever I've seen the what's the one? Suffering Bastard, they've always had bourbon in them. And then I noticed that other recipes didn't call for bourbon at all. I'm like, oh, that's interesting. Now I'm wondering, like, historically,
spicy.
if the Dying Bastard, the bourbon within that drink, kind of got mixed over the years, and it's just like some people go, oh, I know there's bourbon in the Suffering Bastard, but they really meant this other derivative.
I'm sure.
And now the Suffering Bastard, because I've had Suffering Bastards at restaurants that have bourbon and some that don't. It's like that whoever whatever recipe they find, like, that's the Suffering Bastard. Now the trick is when people watch videos like this and they go, that's not a Suffering Bastard because it doesn't have such and such in
That's
it.
a dying bastard.
You're
That's the
wrong.
difference. Now we know.
Now you know the difference.
Yes.
So we know that Derek made the suffering, Dan made the dying, and I made the dead. Just for clarification out there.
Yes.
In case you're wondering.
And I
Well, that's what we shook.
I'm the biggest bastard, Dan's the second biggest bastard,
Yeah.
and Derek's the third biggest
And
bastard.
I'm
We
the-
can't call Derek a big bastard because we're in his house drinking his booze in his bar.
Yeah.
I can't
His
call
little
Dan a
boozer.
bigger bastard than me because he's my boss.
That's true.
And shit just rolls down.
Exactly. See, and that's why
Unparalleled
Ian's so
logic.
smart.
unparalleled logic. He's just like, yo, this is how it goes.
Yes.
Now what you need to do is you need to go to awestrix.com because you can get these white old fashioned. You could also get Chicago highballs. So we'll probably end up using those at some point. You can use coupon code April 18, save 18% off until May
That's
4th.
spicy.
Be with you. The other thing that you should totally do is if you're like, I did such a cool thing and got a job in the industry because I've been watching your videos, you should go to like either patreon.com/CMC and donate on a monthly basis. You can go to everydaydrinks.com/tips and just send me money.
Slash what?
Tips?
Okay.
Tips.
No. Tips.
Tips.
Here's a tip for you.
Get your head out of the gutter.
Put
I
some
just didn't
tips.
hear him. I wanted him to enunciate more.
Tips.
Put some tips in my tips jar. Mainly,
I put some in him in his jar and he didn't like.
if for any reason is April, Tiki month is also my birthday month. So you're like, Derek, what can I do for your birthday? You can just send me money.
Yeah.
Tip the shit out of him.
It's a
bet.
Saturday this year.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet, yeah. Oh yeah, I'll be heading to like Punta Cana that day. I'll be on a plane,
Travel day.
travel day. Yeah.
You're going that week?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. You're
You're
going
the week before.
After
We're the
you
week
come back.
before. We're the week after. And then it's my birthday.
So why don't we celebrate them all
We
at
do-
once?
Well, it's a double birthday.
Yeah, is Ian's birthday coming up too?
No.
No. We're going to do something special for Ian's.
All right. I'm not taking my pants off this year.
Come on.
Come on, it's tradition.
You do it once. Everyone's. I'm
It's
going
expected.
to Paris.
He's
You do
going
it once, everybody's. Every year.
every year. It's like when you do
It's
one
tradition.
thing,
Tradition.
you get to wear my
Tradition.
pink. But maybe we'll switch undies and he can wear my
Good
pink
reference.
undies.
Yes.
You are wearing pink undies.
He was.
Wow.
He made me look.
And I just looked.
I feel so used, and then you looked.
It's like a train wreck.
Yeah, it is.
It's had a rubberneck.
It's like a train wreck of awesome.
Derek, there's a train wreck in your pants.
And it's
There's
pink.
a train. Woo!
It's pink, and I saw it.
Wait, you don't want a train in your pants.
My pants.
Oh, that's completely different.
Well, he might. I mean,
keep it
no
back.
judging, no judging.
Birthday train for Derek.
That's all I know how to do at this point. Woo!
That'll be a different live feed.
Yeah, it'll be a higher pitched sound too.
I don't know if I said anything about executive producer Aaron Turner, but if I didn't, I did now. So Aaron, thank you for donating every month for the last 2 years. Come on, that's pretty awesome.
Yes.
We're gonna do something. We'll do some more stupid antics in the next episode. So stay tuned for that. Sidebar for more videos, including Tiki Month, full month of Tiki.
Hold on.
And below, awesomedrinks.com's bartender starter kit, so you can get started making tiki right this minute. Well, after it gets to you, but you know, what you gotta drink.